Hi everyone, today we're doing Mount Buller, the Western Ridge. So currently it's actually snowing down at where we park, so it's just on about 1,000 meters. We're ascending to about 1,800 today, so yeah, it should be nice. I don't think I've ever hiked this bottom section in the snow before, so something extra special for today. So, just done a little over 1k so far. Yeah, the ambience is definitely different with the snow. There's plenty of weighed down trees though, so a lot more ducking than I'm used to on this, but the weather is looking pretty good. It's expected to stop snowing in Mount Buller, at least that's what the forecast predicts. But since when can you trust the forecast? Feels like Christmas. So the steep stuff actually finishes maybe 1.5 km after you start, and then you're into some more steady, light uphill. Back to snowing a little bit. So typically from here you'd get a view of the mountain. It's pretty bleak, but from a visibility standpoint, in any case, in terms of hiking, it's actually quite nice. Great little camping area, this one, during the summer or the winter, really. Quite a bit of a flat area in between two little hills. Get a bit of coverage from the wind. It's blowing a little bit through this gap here. It's time to get into a beanie. It's starting to get really cold there. Yeah, today is meant to be 5 degrees, I think, ambient temperature, and -15, -16 wind chill. So I'm expecting that crosswind once I get to the ridgeline to be pretty hectic. Alright, we're about to start ascending the first of the more exposed peaks. I think it's 3 or 4 before the top. I never quite remember, but it's been really nice so far. Alright, we're up to the Western Ridge marker, and still a little bit to go to get up. It's starting to get pretty icy, getting pretty windy towards. Pretty windy in this area. Definitely feel that wind chill. It's extremely cold. Like a 60-degree angle. They're like a must. You wouldn't make it without them. It's just icy. You can't see much. I don't know what makes the sun with it. You got the north face. Side of the west. Side and sometimes one step forward is actually 2 steps down. Yeah. See, the bloody ground is so soft. I'm literally totally sunk in up to my knee. Take refuge in this thing, which way that's definitely no. And complete whiteout up here. You have super low visibility, but it's the top. Ooh. Thinking of having lunch up here, but I don't think that's going to be a wise decision. Probably start making my way back and maybe have some lunch closer to the tree line. Yeah, heading back down now. Just made it up to the Westridge sign, so heading back into the forest. Heading back, we're at the tree line. Much better down here, there's no crazy wind, and yeah, I feel better after finally eating something. Man, it was sapping. Now it's a bit more clarity than earlier. Maybe not right at the top, but yeah, we can see quite a bit. Finally the sun. It feels good. So I hope you like that wintry adventure at Mount Buller's Western Ridge. Yeah, so this hike, it's free in winter. To get to this point, don't actually have to go through the booth. to pay to go up to Mount Buller, so it's a great 5k wintry hike. In order to do this one, I would definitely recommend bringing an ice axe and crampons or snowshoes. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment if you want to recommend anything, or if you got anything to ask or say about this particular hike. We do also run our Sunday free hikes a few times a month. If you're interested in getting out, follow us. I'd love to hike with you. Aside from that, I'll make my way to the car and I'll catch you on the next video.